of course, go on ahead and head over to Instagram and follow my page. In this video, I used 4X expression pre-stretched hair to achieve this hairstyle. So in this video, I am just sectioning 3/4 of my hair using the elastic band method of braiding, where you part the hair and get it caught up with elastic bands. In the front, however, the last quarter that was left, I did the invisible method, otherwise known as the knotless method, to ensure that the front of my edges don't become strained with the elastic band and tears out, and also to create a more seamless look in the braiding. So at the front, I'm just showing you how after sectioning the hair, I went ahead and applied my Ocean hair gel just to ensure that it was held neat. I go ahead and grip the hair, section it in 3 parts, and I just continue wrapping the hair left over right and continue until I get to the end. While braiding, I'm trying to apply least pressure to my hair roots, as this is when I actually started to braid from the hair and not to use the elastic band. So I'm just continuing left over right and wrapping my natural hair underneath the braid itself, so as to not have it freezing or fraying and to have the braid looking very neat. So it's right over left, left over right, whichever side you plait on that makes the braiding easier for you, you go ahead and do that. And I did that throughout the hair, even when I used the elastic band method. And I try to plait it as tight as possible, because with the pre-stretched hair, it tends to unravel itself. So you have to plait it tight in order to not have it unwinding itself. So guys, using the pre-stretched hair, it makes the work a lot easier, especially for those persons who have not been braiding for a long time and they just want to try out their braiding skills or practice their braiding skills. Of course, try to keep your parts consistent. We don't want some braids to be larger than others and looking whack. You want your hairstyle to look as professional as possible. So of course, always have a mirror as a guide to help you when parting your hair, and also to help the parting go a bit neater. You can always apply your Ocean gel or any gel of your choice. When you apply it, normally when you part again, it helps you to have a cleaner part. So I'm just going in with my Ocean gel right there. I'm not applying too much because I don't believe in using a lot of hair products to achieve hairstyles. And again, I'm ensuring that my pre-stretched hair is in the center, so one end is not longer than the other. Both ends are the same. By rubbing my hand along it, I am removing all excess hair, and I'm also wrapping it around my fingers as I go along. So when I've centered it, I place it again to the hair root as close as possible. Then I section my natural hair in 3 parts. Oops, forgot to comb out the hair. So I'm just wrapping that centerpiece over my natural hair as close as possible to the root. Then I go ahead and use my fingers, my index finger and my thumb, to part the natural hair in 3 parts. Then as I go further along the braid, I go ahead and part the braid itself into 3 parts. I use my other 3 fingers to hold back the hair that I don't want to get in the way. And I just wrap my natural hair underneath the bottom, as I told you before. And I just keep plaiting and plaiting and plaiting and plaiting straight to the end. Left over right or right over left, depending on how you naturally plait your hair. And when your braiding is done, you can always go in and accessorize with your gold cord, your embroidery thread, your clippings, your beads, whatever makes your style pop for you, depending on the look that you're going for. Also, please guys, when doing your braids, remember, well, a quick tip would be to parcel, for especially for persons who are braiding for the first time, to ensure you take out all the hair that you're using and section them into the amount of braids that you want desired. So if you know you want to do 40 braids, you section all the hair that you have out into similar sizes for the plaits to be consistent. So you take out 40 sets of braids out of the braid pack so that all your braid sizes will be the same. Alright guys. So I went ahead and created a video of how to easily part the hair to get the braiding attached to your own hair by using my own natural hair. So it's section it into 3 parts, attach the braid as close to the root as possible, and then you just push the left hair under the right hair, and that's about it. I hope this video was informative, and go ahead, head over to my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook page and subscribe.